Aloha guys, I just did another 2 straps. That means $100 each, so $200, and I wanted to share with you my finds. So kind of in order of importance here, I found this note, as you can see, Richmond, Virginia, 79292980A. Would have been nice if this note was one less than what I had, a 79292979. But it was not the case, so this one is going back to the bank. Then I found another one, also a could have been note, kind of cool though, San Francisco 888-02999E. Would have been nice if the center had been 00 or 22. That would have been a nice trinary, one that's worth keeping. But no, 2009 note is going back to the bank. And here we go. This is what's called a bookend from Atlanta, 11424011M. The reason it's called a bookend is that we have 11 and 11 on either side. Also would have been good if the ending letter had been an F. We'd have had F11, 11F. I think I'll hold on to it for now. It's in pretty decent shape. 2009 note. And here we go. This is a 2013. It's out of New York, 808-99911A. What I like about this is that it's a full house at the end with the 99911. And the other cool thing is the 808, which is actually the area code for Hawaii. So I'll hold on to this one. Then I found this one. I call these a 3 pair because it begins with 004411. If I had had one more, it would have been a 4 pair. 00441133. Anyway, this note is out of San Francisco, and it's a 2003 John Snow. And here we go. Here's another 3 pair. Atlanta, Georgia, 22776685. Only 3 off to have had a 4 pair. Tim Geithner, 2009. And what do we have here? Okay, here we got some older notes. This is 1999 Larry Summers. It's out of Dallas, 61564651. J, nothing special on the serial number. And it's kind of an older note, so this one's going to go back to the bank. There's still quite a lot of these floating around, so I only keep the really nice crisp ones. Then I found, speaking of crisp ones, I found a nice 1995 Robert Rubin out of San Francisco, 1585-1427U. And you got to remember that these notes aren't actually printed in these banks. They're just distributed to the banks that request them. This note, if you look to the right, just above, bottom right, just above the 12, you'll see a little FW. If you see that, you know that was printed by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing in Fort Worth. And the other BEP is in Washington, D.C. And if it is blank there, then it's a Washington, D.C. note. But yeah, this is a nice note, nice and crisp. I will keep that. Then, as I've said, I always start from the back and then I flip them over. So I just wanted to show you how I found this note. And look at that lower back plate number, 2498. I don't know if I can focus on this better. But when you see something that high, you know it's an older note. And I was kind of excited here because this note is really fresh, new, and crisp. So when I turned it over, look at that. It was a 1977 Blumenthal. So this is almost 40 years old. Out of San Francisco, 46368382E. Nice find. I like that. And then we found this one. You're probably wondering why I keep this one. You think maybe it's because of the 3 pair, the 2-2, the 6-6, and the ending 6-6. But no. I'm not sure about this one. You see that black splotch there? Maybe it's a print error. I don't know. So I looked at it closely. It's black ink, but I'm not sure. I'm tending to believe it is not a print error, or by print error maybe spilled ink or something. But anyway, maybe somebody can let me know what they think. Alright. And then I found this one. It's a 2009 Tim Geithner note, and the serial number is out of New York 012436675L. You're probably wondering why I'm keeping this one. I like these notes because I call them straights. That means no number repeats itself. So in essence we have 01234567. That's pretty cool. They're kind of hard to find. And then finally I found a star note, 2013, out of New York 05238817, with a nice star on the end. I like to hold on to the stars, but as you can see there's this big crease right in the middle. Somebody folded it. But I'll hold on to it. Too bad about the fold. And then finally, while I was at the bank, I went and asked them, and they found me a $50. We don't get too many of these out here. And pulled it over, and it's a 1966. So that is 40% silver. So it gives you the bullion value, which means if you melted it down, that would be what it's worth. And it turns out this coin is worth about $1.50. So yeah, I'm $1 richer today. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.